So here we have an example of maybe a not so good sourdough bread and a very good one. I think it's important to understand what the differences are. Here we have a bread that's risen up much more and opened up in the scoring. Here you can see it's very much closed off and it's not got that rise. You can see between the two, they are definitely different in terms of the expansion on the bread and also the rise. This bread is hard to see on camera, but it's very dense and heavy. This one is light. There's definitely a difference in density. The fermentation here was not developed very well. The fermentation here was. Here I didn't have a good happy starter. Here I did. So you can see the difference between the two. Now, when we come to cut them open, this one is going to have a gummy, kind of wet, doughy interior. This one is going to be a beautiful bread with nice big and small happy bubbles, and that's a good fermentation. This bread might taste nice for one day, but certainly on day 2, it won't be very nice. This one, it will be good for at least 4 to 5 days. We are now ready to cut through our sourdough loaf, and we're going to do a comparison, a good versus a not so good loaf. So first, I will cut the good one. Right down the middle to check our cross section. And we have a beautiful bake. There's a nice combination of big and smaller bubbles, and there's a really good lift. You can see it's perfectly baked. There's no gummy texture or raw dough in the middle.